Hey, it's Joey with Imzz Elite. We're gonna throw another M8 2.0 crash bar on this 2020 Softail standard, but this time it's gonna be our Xtreme model. Let's get into it. Right, with people sitting there staring. All right, for starters, we're gonna get the foot pegs and the brake master cylinder removed. We already did that on here. To see how to get here, you can check out the M8 2.0 install video, because it's all gonna be pretty much the same with just the addition of two bolts. So now that we got the foot pegs all removed already, we're gonna go ahead and remove these top motor mount bolts. You're gonna need your 14mm. Now that we got those removed, we're going to take our 2.0 crash bar just like we did with the M8 standard 2.0. Just want to carefully straddle the frame. Make sure you got your Loctite. Take your supplied ARP bolts. Throw a little dab on each one. Go ahead and just slide this up over the chassis. Hey, make sure to hang that top tab up on top. You'll have to slip up and over the notch on the chassis to be able to get it up there. Once you do that, just come in and throw one bolt on each side. Make sure, just like in the regular standard 2.0 video, you want to start with bolt holes that don't already have a pre-existing accessory in there. We got all our motor mount bolts and our starter bolts on the crash bar. Let's go ahead and start getting the foot pegs back on. You're gonna wanna get down and take a look. Every once in a while, because of wherever the powder makes it tight, you may be closer on one hole alignment than the other. The best way is to go through, get your master cylinder all set up. Whichever one's more in line, it's gonna be easy to get a starter. Let's throw a starter bolt in there, just to hold that brake master cylinder up out of the way. And then while we have that in place, we're going to take our 3/8 tap. We're going to go ahead and run it through the bolt hole. And now that we've gone through and cleaned up the bolt hole, we'll be able to get both of these lined up. make sure that your hole alignment is right. It's going to be difficult, but you're going to end up cross-threading a bolt if it's not. I'm gonna go ahead and run a tap through these two real quick so I can see the powders in line with the threads. Alright, now that everything's in line, we can go through and button everything up, do a final torque down on everything. That's it. Ready to rip, man.